Hello everyone, today I will show you how to quickly convert your photo into video using Ghetto. Before starting video, it's Dio Ravichandra and you're watching. And here's some demonstration of this AI tool. Alright, here I have a simple photo that I want to transform into a captive video using Ghetto. First, select the photo you want to convert, simply drag and drop the photo into interface. Once you are ready, click generate and let the AI work. Best part, AI will process your photo and create video in no time. And this is final result and it seems pretty good. After the conversion complete, simply click download to save your video. On this website you can create short videos for free using one account, but there are limitations on the duration of the videos. If you don't want to take premium subscription, you can create another account where you will still get the same limited seconds for video creation. In case your IP get blocked, you can use VPN. As you can see, I use Proton VPN, which is good, and best part, it's free. Or before creating another account, make sure to clear data on this site from here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.